Hello everyone, I'm Prasanna. I'm a pre-final EEE student at CIT. My mom is having an online bookshop that sells pre-loved books and regional books at affordable prices for students to cultivate reading habits. And I wanted to help my mom in her mission. So I wanted to create an online presence for my mom's business. So initially, I researched a lot of e-commerce platforms, and out of which I found out Bagisto. Bagisto is a really cool open source online platform for creating e-commerce sites. By using Bagisto, Bagisto also has a unique feature called plugins by which you can extend the Bagistos to your Bagisto site for your custom use case. They also have an initial lot of developers who create these plugins. In addition to that, you can also create your own plugin. For in my use case, for my mom's business, I created my own plugin called weight-based shipping plugin that calculates the shipping rates based on the weight of the items ordered. So it's been over a year of using Bagisto, and it's been really helpful for my mom's business. I wanted to thank Bagisto for developing this application. Thank you.